We have another property for sale. This is a rolling terrain, slightly sloping, located in Barangay Binaliw, Cebu City. Actually, guys, this is around 17,000 square meters plus. Actually, the title is 18,163 square meters. But since it has already taken by the road, so mo na nabilin 17,000 square meters na lang. It's still a clean title because the owner is still alive. So tiguang na pero buhi pa gihapon. Then it's a slightly sloping terrain. Then this road is going to be a concrete road. So meaning paingon na ni siya makoncrete to kay bag-o lang gyud siya gisurvey sa barangay nga ila na yung i-concrete road ning lugara. Mulagbas ni sa Panoypoy. So meaning ang adjacent ani is Consolacion, Cebu. So kuan lang ni siya guys, in the middle of the mountain. Then signal is still strong, kusog man ng signal kay na may mga kuan diha. Itawag og tower sa tas unahan. Tower sa mga cellphone. So this is a very nice property for sale. The price is 500 pesos per square meter. So barato ra gyud kayo guys. Although the opposite side is also for sale at 1,000 square meters. Slightly sloping gyapon to pero 1,000 man mas mahal. So kini siya ubos man pod iyang presyo which is 500 pesos per square meter. So it's really a good investment. I repeat, naay water. So water and electricity are available. The size is 17,000 square meters, clean title. Nay plus gamay. For a package price of 500 pesos per square meter. So barato ra gyud siya guys. Nya hapon naman mi diari, bugnaw gyud siya guys. Bugnaw gyud as in. Mountain Barangay in Cebu City, which is around 20 minutes drive from Talamban, Cebu City, or from Gaisano Mall, Cebu City. So pinapangpang maning yuta ani guys, pinasloping gamay, then kung imo ning paliton, so you can develop nga murag pinahanging ang porma sa imong balay. Mura siya gahanging. Pero kung imo gining nindot ni mabuhatan nimo ni o for example rest house, restaurant pwede kayo. So nindot kayo ang property guys. Nag-overlooking siya although dili na maklaro ang view sa sea or sea view. Pero nindot ta gyapon kay Cebu City man ni siya. Then napoy nakapalit na mo diha, tag 1,000 yun ang ilang palit. Kiniragin may barato. So, very nice this thing. Yan, you can plant vegetables, any kinds of crops. Pwede sa ka dire magpigire, magpoultry, okay ra kayo kay di man kayo sikit ang silingan. Okay. Pero nanay dagkong balay gyud there are so many big houses nearby. So, mana siya guys. So, for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land titles, condominium titles, license to sell for the subdivision development. And we have also appraisers that can appraise to your property. Labi na kung inyong i-loan. Okay. You can contact to my WhatsApp and Viber plus 6391711 and our website www.propertyph.net. Although ato maning gibutang dire. Okay? So very nice kayo ang atong location, guys. So nga na no, na mga balay diha pero dili siya sikit no. Indot kayo gyud. Palain ka ba panahon. Busy sa syudad, pwede bakasyon ka dire. Ari pahuway ba, relax. So nindot kayong location, guys. Bugnaw ang lugar. Yan ni. Kita na dito na mga portion nga Sibyo pero sa lain nga side. Dili dito sa property. Pero nag-overlooking yun siya, guys, kay tunga na siya sa mountain. Nya bugnaw gyud ang atong location. As in, okay? So, thank you very much. And if you have properties for sale, just contact me. We will help you sell your property. Okay? Bye.